On a warm beach, every tiny turtle rushed to the ocean, except one. He wasn't slow, he was waiting. "I'm waiting for my mom," the tiny turtle whispered. The sun rose higher, but no one came. The sand grew hotter, and the wait grew longer. A shadow passed above, something dangerous. The waves came close, but never close enough. "Maybe she forgot me," the turtle whispered. But the tiny bird believed something else. What if she's already waiting for you in the ocean? With courage, even the smallest step can change everything. Sometimes, love doesn't disappear. It waits where you belong. And there, waiting in the ocean all along, was the one little heart had been searching for.